Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Thursday, the 12th of January 2017. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only, that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. All right, so let us get started. Let's have a look at what happened overnight in London. We had manufacturing numbers coming at 1.3% to the forecast of 0.6. We had about a 200 pip trading range day with the GBP, and that was largely due to Mr. Donald Trump's speech early this morning. It sent the market wild both directions, first in one and the other, and most of the majors ended up leaving us with a doji pair. The goods and trade balance came in a little bit under the forecast at minus 12.2 billion, and that's all we pretty much had for the GBP. If we move across to the USA, the big news was the oil inventories. They did increase the inventories by 4.1 million. In essence, what initially happened in the oil markets was oversupply. Oil took a dive straight down, but then significantly, because of the dollar weakness, we did have a recovery, and it's basically pushed back up. To be honest, most of this volatility was caused from the Donald Trump speech this morning, so we need to wait for that to settle down a little bit. Look, the end result of that speech was market went one way, went the other way, and then pretty much ended up where it started. Okay, so that's what we had overnight. Let us have a look at the chart of the day for today, Thursday the 17th, and what I found for us, especially after such a large movement overnight, I was able to pick up a Euro AUD. We did have a Euro AUD chart yesterday which hit target, so for all of you who took that, well done. Basically, we've got a setup in the reverse direction right now. What I'm looking at is a Euro AUD it's a 4-hour chart, so I've got a daily and a 4-hour, so let me cross that out. It is a 4-hour chart, and it's a fishing strip setup. For those of you who follow and come to my masterclasses, you will recognize the setup. We have it's a perfect setup there on my Bollinger Bands, and basically it's set for a rebound up. So that is our chart for the day, Euro AUD. It's a 4-hour chart based on a fishing strip setup. So go back, look up the strategy just to retouch on it, and see if you like it. By all means, monitor it, take the trade, do as you must. Okay, so what's happening tomorrow on the markets? We have, well, later tonight, 11:30, we have ECB monetary policy meeting on the accounts. Followed just after midnight, we have in the Canadian news NHPI numbers. We have US unemployment. The forecast is around about 266, so we'll see where that comes in. But we also have FOMC member speaking. So this is always very important in terms of what they say towards the direction of interest rate rises for the coming year of 2017. Remember that pre-Christmas, Ms. Yellen did say that they did anticipate 3 rises in the greenback throughout the year. Consequently, the dollar has stalled somewhat and has retraced back. A lot of profit taken, now a lot of indecision. So hopefully something that Mr. Evans says tonight may give us a little bit more clarity as to what that's going to bring to us. Import prices also due at the same time, with a forecast at 0.8%. Now, as always, please feel free to contact us. If you do have any questions, follow me on Twitter at ChatFX, send us an email, look for breaking news setups, and this video I do post directly onto Twitter, onto my website, and I'm organizing to get it onto the YouTube channel as well. We'll all let you know where you can easily access it, but most of all, guys, have a great trading day, and I'll see you tomorrow for the daily call. Bye for now.